Hi and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making truffle fries. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And in the meantime, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button and I'll be back. So I'm just cutting them into wedges. These are some big wedges. I'm gonna put them in a bowl and cover them with some white truffle oil. Shake them up real good. White truffle oil. Shake them up and get them nice and coated. Now I'm gonna put some salt, some black pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. Gonna give them a shake. Put them on my air fryer rack, and then I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. Now they're ready to go into the air fryer. Our truffle fries are ready. They look delicious. I'm gonna just put these on a plate for right now. Oh, I can feel them. They're crunchy. Oh yes, got that crispiness on the outside. You can look at them and tell. You can look at them and tell how seasoned they are. So I'm ready to taste one. And you can use these to dip things in, barbecue sauce, ketchup, ranch, whatever it is you'd like to dip them in. Just put some hot sauce on them, or you could eat them plain, which is what I like to do because they already have all of that flavor from the truffle oil and the cheese and the salt. But I'm gonna eat mine plain. Can you see that? Look at that, nice and crispy and seasoned. I don't know if you can hear that crunch. It's crunchy on the outside. It's soft on the inside. These are seasoned perfectly. So these are good. You could eat them as a side dish with whatever you're having for your dinner, or you could just eat them as a snack, which is what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna do that, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen.